Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How is everybody this fine morning? And a fine morning it is too. We are breaking records on every front this morning. We're so excited. We are here every morning for the opening bell, here every evening or afternoon, that is, for the closing bell. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the Day Trader, and everything you're about to see now is real, genuine. It's my own real money. I'm not a financial advisor. In fact, I'm the world piano man. I'm an entertainer, a musician on YouTube and other social platforms, but this is my Day Trader show where I trade my future investments and what I am building up for my pension. So it's entertainment purposes only, but please do watch it and enjoy it. We've got a great team here, wonderful people that support me, and we are all growing together, and boy, are we having some success. So welcome, welcome, welcome. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. There it is, subscribe and ring the bell. That's the back of the studio right now. And also give us a thumbs up right now. If you're over there on TikTok, tap the screen as fast as you can, and that way you will get to get your comments to the top. And join us on YouTube. If you're watching us over on TikTok, you can't see the main screens. So if you click the profile right here, that will take you to my main profile on TikTok. You click my icon, go behind the icon, and you see the little Instagram logo. You click the Instagram logo, and behind there is a YouTube and Instagram logo. Click on the YouTube link, and you'll be right with me here live on YouTube, and you will see my trading screens either side of the phone. All right, let's go over to the main trading screen, and as you can see, we are massively up this morning. We are really, really on fire. So many things are taking off. The channel is growing. The portfolio is up. We're taking profits out and reinvesting. We're in a great position this morning. So welcome, 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 everybody. I see we've got people already coming in. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've just joined us. 9 likes already on the video. Smash the like button. Let me welcome our guests. Kenneth Brunk is here. Leah is here. Martin Redding was here early. Is Martin Redding still here? He came in before the show started. We've got some very keen traders. Look at this, guys. We are up today already 0.5%. We've got 27 minutes before the bell goes, and boy, are we doing well. And why this is happening? Slips in grabs, his favourite comfy couch. I love that. I love the way Bill comes in. He's got his little catchphrase. Have you noticed Bill's got his catchphrase? He does exactly the same thing on the Martyn Lucas show. Thanks for I hope you enjoyed the premiere this morning. I've got a few more coming out, Bill. It's a very special day on my channel this morning. I'm celebrating with Sir Paul McCartney. And thank you ever so much for jumping in, Bill, and catching the premiere this morning. You were the first to watch it. If you're on the Day Trader, here's my Martyn Lucas channel. And if you scroll down to it, this is what's happening this morning. You see, I've got these, where is it? Uploads. Where's the uploads? Where's the uploads? Where's the up? There we are. There we are. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Beatles songs. All right? The next one is 9:15, 9:30 and 9:45. All unplugged special Beatles songs for you. I hope you'll enjoy those, and that's great. We're starting the show today with 986. So we're really on fire. Nearly 1,000 now. This is great. Right, back to the portfolio. Let's have a look. It's up, 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 up. Best musician ever. Thank you ever so much, Bill. You're one of my best fans. You really are. You tip me every time. That's why I play all your requests straight away. You jump to the top. Right. Bitcoin. That's where the profits are coming from. We've just broke through 50,000. Just broke through 50,000, and we are now up $3,000, 49% profit on Bitcoin now. There we go. It's broke through 50,000, and it's going to hold now. I'm absolutely sure of it, and it will go all the way to 100,000 by the end of the year. So Bitcoin is where it's at. That's what's driving my portfolio. You can actually see it moving in real time there. All right, so on the day, I am up right now. We are up now, 0.53. Good morning, my friends over there on TikTok. Tap the screen and come over to YouTube. All right. Amazon is up 0.5%. Look at that. Martin Redding said coffee started at 5 a.m. In stocks today is a great day. My charge point pop up 14% after market. CHPT is charging station play. I didn't understand all of that, but I read it. I'm going to share it and read it again. Coffee started at 5 a.m. I get that bit. In stocks today is a great day. My charge point pop up 14% after market. I got you. CHPT is charging station play. All right. Kenneth Brunk is here. Howdy, he says. And Martin's giving some big smiley faces. All right. Johnson is flat at the moment. Tesla is up 0.02. Facebook is down very slightly. Apple, a great investment, and I'll show you why it's a great investment today. I'll tell you why it's a great investment. Absolutely wonderful stuff. Coke is up 0.14 today. AT&T up 0.15. Disney's up 0.28. Don't know why I've only got a little bit of that. 0.27, the old ETF of the Vanguard whole market. Google down very slightly. Virgin Galactic down, but just trending. Looks like it's moving up, but down a little bit. So me and Bill are probably out of the money at the moment. Me and Bill were out of money at the minute, but I'm not worried about it. Ford is up very slightly, just dropping back a bit. Rolls-Royce up today 0.5%. We're now up nearly 17% on that one. Portfolio's up 1.98 overall right now. Congratulations to you. Martin, gangsters ride quads. Really? Hello there over on TikTok. Tap the screen as fast as you can. It lets me know you're here. And if you want to enjoy the main trading screens, hop over to YouTube, click the profile just here. That'll take you to my main profile. Click the icon. When you click the icon, just behind there's a little Instagram logo. Click on that and you'll see the YouTube link. And that's where I am, and that's where you can join us. Much, much better for you, because you will see the trading screens and all the live news that I'm about to play. Alrighty, okay, here we go. Moving on to the next stock in my portfolio right now. Robinhood up 2% this morning, 1.95 to be precise. My portfolio is currently up 0.5%. So Martin Redding is smashing it. That's good. I'm very pleased for him. Lucid Group is up 2.47 this morning. Okay, now if you remember, yesterday I traded out and I took some profits, and I'm glad I did. Of course, you could argue, oh yeah, if you'd left it in, you'd have made more money. Yep. Always could have, should have, maybe, whatever. You're making profit, you're making profit. Okay. Give me a thumbs up on YouTube. I see we've got 8 likes now. Let's get it up to, we got more than watching than has liked it. Everyone like the video, subscribe or ring the bell if you've just come across from TikTok. If you've just come across from TikTok or Facebook, please go into the live chat and let us know you're here, where you're from and what you're investing in. We're always learning from each other. That's what we do here on the Day Trader. We grow our portfolio and we're all up supporting each other. Over there on TikTok, tap the screen, click the profile, go to the icon, click the icon, see the Instagram logo, click on that and you'll find the YouTube link and you can jump across and you can see all my trading screens. I can't show that on TikTok. I can only go on my phone. Okay, down a bit from yesterday. That's right. Oh, you're still up. That's good, Bill. It's because you bought the dip. See, I'm down because I paid a higher price. I bought in at a different time. You're in a good position. So I'm glad you're still up, even though it's down, because you are always going to be in the money now. If we've had these drops, I would say you're always going to be in the money. You might drop a tiny bit, but not much. I think you are in a very, very strong position, and you will remain so. Robinhood at 1.95, Lucid Group. So now, if you remember, my average cost is 1962. You remember yesterday where I bought and sold, dropped my average. It was a great, great play. Really, really happy. Now I'm only 7% away from making profits with Lucid Group on my main initial investment. So that's really good. And I'm glad it's moving up. So we're doing really well there now. There you go. You can see it. Great time to buy in on Lucid. But I won't be buying any more in just now. But I'll watch that grow first. Ocugen is up 0.40. Harpoon Therapeutics is flat today. Advaxis just down slightly but trending upwards. Pfizer having a good day, up 0.61. NRXP, Drass will be in soon. I'm sure he will be. And, what can I say about it? We're still up. We're growing every day on that one. All right. Carnival is up today slightly. So, we've seen the dip. It's probably a time to get back into, if you remember, I sold 23.92. So I'm still below. Looking to get back in, but we'll see what happens there. Bitcoin is now breaking further. We've gone through 50,000 and we're on the way up. So today we are up 1.18%. All right, let's go over to the news. Eric expect a 10% correction at the end of the mid-cycle. Let's have a listen into this breaking news.
It's kicking off September with a slow start. Still, the S&P is up 20% so far this year. Our next guest says he expects a 10% correction at the end of what he calls the mid-cycle transition. Joining us now to explain, Mike Wilson, Chief Investment Officer and Chief U.S. Equity Strategist from Morgan Stanley. And we had a long discussion.
Do you expect the 10% correction? Here we go. Kenneth has just sent me an important link. Let me click on it. Open a new tab. Get it there. And I learned this yesterday, so it's always much better for you guys if I switch to this camera position and drop the link in first. That way, you don't get all that flashing of the screen. You see what I care about, you guys? I care about Richard, but okay, here we go. This will be interesting. Interesting one to read here. Let's have a look. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic test flight under FAA investigation. Flight deviated from its air traffic control clearance, FAA said. Flight deviated from its air traffic control clearance, FAA said. All right. Is this a video we can look into? Let's have a look in here.
Chase First Banking. A debit card.
Oh, we got to skip the ad.
For you to teach
We'll skip the ad. Just bear in mind a second. Let's see if we can skip the ad, and then we'll get to the meat of the video. Here we go. There we go. Let's bring it up now.
Richard Branson, the first billionaire in space in this case, and he is urging others to follow. Actually, a few days later, Jeff Bezos will, not on a Branson vehicle, but a different vehicle. They're wildly different in looks and all, but it is a time when both of these gentlemen are urging that there's a new world coming, a new out of this world coming, where everyday folks can hop a ride into space, and sooner than you think. Clayton Anderson, a former NASA astronaut who did it the old-fashioned way, worked his butt.
Oh, there we go. That video is old, but we can read the news here. The Federal Aviation Administration is investigating Richard Branson's high-profile Virgin Galactic test flight after reports that the space plane went off course. Oh, okay, this is interesting. The July 11th flight saw Branson and Virgin Galactic employees fly more than 53 miles above the Earth to the edge of space aboard the company's spaceship before landing at the company's Spaceport America in New Mexico. At the time, Branson praised his trip to space as more magical than I ever imagined. However, FAA officials said it didn't go exactly as it should have. Richard Branson's Virgin Orbit to go public through a SPAC. During its July 11 21 flight, the Virgin Galactic space flight, two vehicles deviated from its air traffic controlled clearance as it returned to Spaceport America. The FAA told Fox Business in a written statement. The FAA investigated is ongoing. The Virgin Galactic spokesman said the flight was still safe and successful. The vehicle's trajectory was changed by high-altitude winds, they said. Although the flight's ultimate trajectory deviated from our initial plan, the Unity 22 flight did not fly outside the lateral confines of the protected airspace. The spokesperson said in a written statement, as a result of the trajectory adjustments, the flight did not drop below the altitude of the airspace that is projected for Virgin Galactic missions for a short distance and time, 1 minute and 41 seconds, before re-entering restricted airspace that is protected all the way to the ground. Okay, this is interesting news, but I do not feel for a moment that will affect the stock price. Not at all. Not at all. This is all part of building a new technology, a new company. Thank you, Kenneth, for sharing that. Not concerned about that at all. I do not believe that will affect the stock price at all, but it is very important news. Of course it is. All right, if you've just arrived from TikTok or Facebook or anywhere else, please subscribe and ring the bell. And don't forget, give us a whacking great thumbs up. Thumbs up the video. It helps us grow. We got a record 2 days ago with 27. Our average is 15. Today we're 8. We haven't started yet. We're a slow start this morning, even though our stocks are exploding. So there we go. Thank you very much for sharing that news with us this morning. Let's go back over and go into some more breaking news for you. This is about the correction. What do you make of this?
Discussion last time you were on, Mike, I guess it was like a month ago or so, and you had raised your target on the S&P to a level that was still well below where it was trading at the time, and we haven't made very much upward progress on the S&P since then. And I'm just wondering...
Just want to say hello, good morning to my TikTok fans over there. Tap the screen, let me know you're here. It always helps me on TikTok. I've only been here a couple of weeks. In fact, not even that, a week. If you want to see the main screens and what we're trading on, the best experience for you is if you click the profile right here. That'll bring up my icon. Click on the icon just behind on the profile page. You'll see a little Instagram logo. Click on that, and then behind that you'll see my YouTube logo. If you click on that, you'll be right here on YouTube, and either side of the phone you will actually see the trading screens that I'm trading on, and it'll make a lot more sense for you and be a lot more enjoyable, and that way you can meet my team as well, who are all trading live, and you can see what we're trading.
If you update us, is your scenario playing out in your mind? Are you seeing some weakening indicators that make you think you're going to be right about this?
Yeah, we do. And look, I mean, the mid-cycle transition, Joe, is as much about, picking the right stocks and being in the right parts of the market as it is about, figuring out what's going on in the S&P 500. And in that regard, the mid-cycle transition has played out perfectly, right? There's been a massive rotation away from low quality to high quality stocks. Early cycle recovery stocks have underperformed. Obviously, small caps have really lagged, and so that's played out nicely.
So, do you believe there's a correction coming? We've been hearing this correction coming for a long time. We thought we had it. Was it like last week, the week before? And now we're talking about it again. I mean, remember, a lot of news is news. People like to talk about stuff. It doesn't concern me. You might be feeling, though, take some profits, everything's up right now, and then buy it back at all the dip, or ride it out. I mean, remember, if we get a 10% correction, that's part of course. We'll drop down 10%. Maybe you don't sell out now, make a profit, but you do buy in some more in the dips, and then perhaps it'll recover, and off we go again. So you could do nothing, let it ride. If it comes, it may not even come, or you can sell now, make some profits, buy in at a lower price. There's always that way of playing it as well.
So yes, we're right on schedule for the finishing move, which is typically they eventually get to the quality stocks, because that's they're the ones that are now expensive. And as far as the fundamental evidence goes, since we spoke last, absolutely. I mean, we've seen consumer confidence.
Yeah, Kenneth just made a point there. There will be a correction. Let me post it on the screen. It's a valid point. There will be a correction. How much is a question? But then let's look at it, right? We're talking a correction of 10%. All right. Let's look at our stocks. We see dips of 5-10% all the time. Me and Kenneth had a phone conversation about this yesterday. This is all part of the market. You see this all the time, and it'll also depend on which stocks. Certain stocks will be hit more. If someone was predicting a correction of 50%, then I would sell all my stocks. Wouldn't everyone? Sell all your stocks and then wait for a 50% correction. But 10% to me is just what happens in a normal day sometimes. I mean, look what happened yesterday to Lucid Group. It dropped 29%. I got a bargain, made 120, 130 bucks, and lowered my average. Brilliant. So that was greater than a correction. Now you might say the correction would come on top of that, so 30% plus 10. So now we're 40%. All right, but It's all about not getting greedy. If you're moving forward and you're moving up, what the heck? You know what I mean? Talking about moving up, if you remember, I've been taking profits from this portfolio. So if you're thinking, why is it only 50,000? Why is it not 52? It actually would be 52 now. I've been taking money out of it. What is important to look at is the percentage. If you look here at the percentage there, that's what's important. I'm up 12% on this now. That's what's important. Even if I take money out, that percentage will go up. That's what I've actually made, and that's what I've actually made in profit, regardless of what my overall balance is. All right, let's continue this on the back of what Kenneth just said.
Confirmed, UMISH and Conference Board suggesting the consumer is fading a bit. Not a recession, but the consumer's tired. And that's been our thesis all along, is there's going to be a payback here on demand. Overnight, Good
morning, Kenneth, Alicia and Patricia are here. Welcome. We're now up to 10 likes, which means the crowd's all here. There we go. Smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. And don't forget, guys, there's always a share button as well. You can share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, wherever you share stuff. All right.
Economics team actually lowered their GDP forecast from 6.5% to 2.9% for the third quarter. They've kept their fourth quarter number the same, but look, there's risk to that probably if Delta doesn't fade, or my view is that Delta is a bit of a trap.
Kenneth Brunk made a very good point. He said, if you notice though, the S&P 500, the top 500 companies, all right, is based on high cap stocks. The Apples, the Microsofts, all this kind of thing. Those are the ones that will get hit primarily. Everything else gets hit as a wave-like effect. That's right. That's how it's right. That's how it works. Thank you very much, Kenneth. He knows a lot more than me, and I'm learning from him every day. Good stuff. All done, Patricia says. Nice one. Thank you.
People are saying, oh, the slowdown's due to Delta. The slowdown is not due to Delta exclusively, okay? What it's due to is the fact that we overshot on the upside. We had a monster stimulus. And
welcome to all my guests over there on TikTok. Welcome, sir. Look him. I think that LUQM. Welcome. Tap the screen. Let me know you're here. And join us over here on TikTok, YouTube rather. Click the profile icon here. Find the main icon. Click on it on my profile. Behind the Instagram link is a YouTube link, and that's where we're trading the screens right now.
Now we're going to have some payback, and that's okay. But that's normal in the mid-cycle transition. That's what always happens. The difference this time, Joe, is that the amplitude of the cycle is just much greater.
Here's a good tip for everyone if you want to follow Martyn here. That's why I dollar cost small amounts into VIXY as a hedge against the correction. Remember, VIXY goes up when everything else goes down, so that's how he can do that. As a hedge against the correction when it does happen. I will sell VIXY and hold most of my stocks and ride it out, but make money on the drop. There you go. That's how Martin Redding has a fancy shirt and a nice sports car, because that's his way of doing things. So you may want to learn from that. Nice one, Martin. Thank you for sharing that. Much appreciated. On with the news.
Meaning, the upside last year was bigger, and now the downside and the slowdown part is going to be bigger too. And that's our view, and we're sticking with it.
And the 10% correction, you don't even necessarily think that we end the year down 10% from here. Your base case is 42.25. Okay, so that's not it. You figure we could have a 10% correction down to around 4,000 or so, or 4,100, and then close above that, and then your bear case is 3,800. That would be a year end. That would be a 10% correction from here if we close there for the year.
Yeah, well, look, let's clarify a few things. First, the 4,000 base case is for year end. The 42.25 is for March or May of next year. Okay, so that was our 12-month forecast at that time. And
welcome, Akka to Hussein, Actor Hussein, and good, hello, Paul as well. Welcome, Paul, over there on TikTok. Tap the screen, let me know you're here. Jump on the profile up here and find the link behind the Instagram link for my YouTube. That's where we're trading on the screens. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
And look, I mean, this is not that. I mean, let's not pretend that we're that precise. Okay, let's talk about what we can, try to figure out here, which is... Look,
so there we go. Do you think the 10% correction is coming? Martin does, or Martin's preparing for it, and so does Kenneth. Kenneth believes it's coming, and as he explained there. Great, we got 12 likes now. My TikTok friends are coming over from TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. Give us a thumbs up. If you are watching me on TikTok now, and I see Sir Lucam come and join us on YouTube and let me know who you are, where you're from, and we'll share with you our trading screen. All right, let's go back now to our portfolio and let's have a closer look. Right, so I'm up today, 0.63. Oh, look at this. This must be Bitcoin. Oh, it's not Bitcoin. I don't think that is Bitcoin. Something else is moving quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if the market dips a little at the end of the year and then makes a major adjustment in February. Thank you very much for that, Kenneth. I wouldn't be surprised if the market dips a little at the end of the year and then makes an adjustment in February. All right, let's go across our markets and see what's moving up because something's just popped. We've got 4 minutes before the opening bell. Amazon is up 0.5%. Johnson & Johnson up 18.18. Tesla is up 0.18, the same. Facebook down just slightly. Apple is up 0.85. Coca-Cola is up 0.14. AT&T is up 0.11. Disney is up 0.29. VTI is up 0.1. Google down very slightly. Virgin Galactic down 1%. Ford Motor Company down slightly at 0.15. Rolls-Royce up 0.65. I'm now up 17%, just about. Now moving on to Robinhood. Robinhood is up 1.97. Good morning for Robinhood. Up $200 on that investment now. Lucid Group. Lucid Group is on fire. This is great news if you are invested in Lucid. We're up 4% now. Now I sold out yesterday. I'm not getting these benefits, but that's okay. I'm making those benefits now because my average is less. I'm watching that now. So right now I'm just 5% down. And if you remember, we had a huge drop yesterday. So to be just 5% down is great. This is great. I'm about to make some money with Lucid Group. I'm very, very sure of that, the way that's moving. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, we've got a big pop about to happen here. Pre-market can be deceptive. Yes, it can. Watch out for it. But let's keep our eye on that. That's very, very interesting. I'm just down 5.8% now. That's going up quickly. Ocugen is up, but just moving back slightly. We've got 2.25 minutes. It's going to be a very exciting opening bell this morning. A very exciting opening bell. So let's watch it. Advaxis, 0.4699. It's just down very, very slightly. Pfizer is just up 0.8. That's great. NRXP popped and dropped back to 0. I'm up 2.5%. Where's DRAS? What does DRAS make of that this morning? Carnival, let's have a look at Carnival. Carnival is up but dropping back. If Carnival dropped to 19, I would jump in. If Carnival would jump to 19, I would get in. ChargePoint Holdings shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q2 sales results. The company also raised its FY22 sales guidance. There we go. Let's see what happens after the bell. Yes, indeed. Look ChargePoint. Keep your eye on that. Bitcoin is now on a bit of a surge today. We are up 1.3. We are now comfortably through 50,000. I'm up 49% on a I think it was a $7,000 investment initially. It's now 18% of my portfolio. Very, very nice. Very, very nice indeed. Let's see what happens after the bell. We got 50 seconds for the bell. Let's get ready for it. We're going to see some action. Let's get ChargePoint queued up for Martin Redding. ChargePoint. There we go. Let's get it opened up for Martin. All right, there we go. Up 12% pre-market. Blimey, he was spot on with that one. Look at that, up 12% pre-market. There we go. Right, are we ready? We're going to call the bell in just 20 seconds time. It's going to be a big morning. We're going to see a lot of action. Let's go to the live screen. Here we go. And then we'll fly through our portfolio and we'll have charge point as well. Good luck for Martyn. I hope Martyn does well there. Okay, here we go. Let's ring the bell. It's time. Okay, there we go. Let's keep an eye on everything. And there we go. We got a big drop. We thought that was going to happen. It's dropping back just before the bell. We will see. Oh, and now we're up. We're moving. This first half an hour, of course, on the stock market is very, very exciting. A lot of people, including us, make our money for the day here. And one final bell of the ring. One final ring of the bell. Who's got a bit of backward motion there? Breaking 51,000. Here we go. Here we go. What's moving? What's going up? Okay, Amazon just dropping back slightly. Johnson & Johnson just dropping, is still moving up. Tesla has had a huge bounce, up 0.5% on the bell. Facebook has just dropped back very slightly. Apple is up 1.2. Great investment, Apple right now. Coke is up 0.35. Huge jumps here. AT&T just down very slightly. Disney, big pop, nearly 1% on the bell. Vanguard, of course, the ETF moving up 0.36. Google up 1.12. Virgin Galactic is down, but it's moving up nicely now. Ford Motor Company down, moving up quickly. Ford has got a spike. Ford is moving. There we go. Rolls-Royce up, just dropped back slightly. It's pretty flat right now. Robinhood up 1.28. It's so pretty, that bell. Thank you so much indeed. Lucid Group is up 3.5% and holding, doing well. Okay, this is great for everyone. Ocugen is up 0.5% on the bell. Harpoon Therapeutics just down slightly. Advaxis just down very slightly. Pfizer is up 1% on the bell. We are moving now. We are moving. Good morning to you. Drass is here. NRX Pharmaceuticals up 2% on the bell. Are you in? Are you making money with NRX Pharmaceuticals? Another great morning. Carnival just dropped. It's pretty flat right now. And here we go. Charge point. Opened up at 12, now down, just dropping back. It's now at 8% up. Well, there we go. Martin Redding is in that. Wow, that was our coverage this morning. Give me a round of applause for going through that at such breakneck speed. Fantastic. There you go. Great stuff. All right, now we'll calm down just a little bit. Let's take a quick cup of tea and see where we're at right now. What a morning. If you're over there on TikTok, tap the screen as fast as you can. And Dreamker, if you want to join us, all you need to do is tap the screen as fast as you can. Hiya, Dreamker. How are you? Let me know you're here by tapping the screen. If you really want to follow what's going on, YouTube is the place to be. Click the profile right here. Then you'll find my icon. Click the icon, go behind the icon, and you will see my profile on TikTok, and then the Instagram logo. Click behind that, and you'll see my YouTube link. Click on the YouTube link, and you'll be here, and you'll see my trading screens either side of the phone, and you'll get a much better experience. We broke 51,000, everybody. My portfolio is now up 12.5%. This is nearly an all-time record. My all-time record is 13% set on August 9. So we are now nearly a month later, and we are at 12.5%. Today we could break an all-time record. Lucid now is up 5%. Let's go. Let's have a look at my iPhone. You will see this is what my friends on TikTok are seeing, and this is the app here on Robinhood. There we go. You can see what's going on there. If you want some free stock, who doesn't want free money? In the live chat now, I'm going to post my Robinhood link. If you click on this, you can get free stock. It doesn't cost you anything at all, and we both make some money for free. Just sign up with that, and you will get some free stock. I've also got a Webull referral code as well, and let's drop it in. Let's drop it into the chat there. If you want to get yourself some free stock with Webull, set that up, and you can get some free money from Webull. I've done the same thing. If you're interested and you want to follow much more depth and in-depth stuff, we have our traders here who post regularly to our Facebook page and group. There is the link. Remember, all these links I'm posting are also in the description of all the videos. Go below and you'll see all this information. If you like what I'm doing here and you like the way my studio looks, all of the equipment in my studio is in my Amazon shop. This is my studio. Everything you hear is basically an Amazon shop. If you want to see what I've got here and build a studio like me, or even if you want to buy a cable, all of that is in my Amazon shop. All right. We've got some foreign languages being spoken now this morning. Buono giorno bellas. I think I got that right. Dras is here. Is Dras happy this morning? NRXP, he should be. He's up again this morning. Who's following Dras? There we go. That's how it looks on the app. Okay, let's have a look now. We are now 51,000. You may notice I'm wearing red today. I'm wearing red today to support Tommy the Tomato. Tommy the Tomato now has his own shirt on the show. You may notice I'm wearing red today. So even though we're in the green, I'd like to point out this is to honour Tommy the Tomato, who sadly passed away last night. Last night we had a pizza, and last night Tommy the Tomato got eaten. He got cut into pieces and got eaten. So to commemorate the memory of Tommy the Tomato, today on the Day Trader, I'm wearing a red shirt in honor of Tommy the Tomato. Where are we going with this? You know, this is supposed to be a professional show. What the hell? Let's make money, have a laugh, and whatever. Right, so we're all up. Everyone's loving it. Let's fly through for a minute. Amazon is up 0.64. Johnson. Oh, hang on a minute. Before that, let's have a quick look of all the tomatoes that have fallen in the line of a pizza. No, Tommy. Right, we started the show at 986. We want to get to 1,000. Let's refresh the screen. What's going on? 986. We're still 986. No one new came in the show today. I'm not surprised. Right, I got a little treat for you all. I got a little treat. Who wants a little treat? Because we're all making money. We're all doing well. On the Day Trader channel, where you are now, right? Scroll down, and you find the Martyn Lucas Show channel. See here, right here, little surprise for everybody this morning. Click on it, and you will see just here. Look in the uploads right at the top. I've done a special today. Just released them this morning, premieres. Beatles Unplugged, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 and Part 4. Go and check them out. The first one premiered an hour ago, and Bill was the first one. The rest of you, it premieres at 9:15, so I'm finishing the show today at 9:05 because I'm going water aerobics. No extended show today. Finishing at 9:05. As soon as I finish, you can go and see at 9:15. 10 minutes after I finish, you will see part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, and leave me a comment below the videos. Tell me what you think. Some special exclusive videos I've posted this morning. All right, go and enjoy those, and yeah, just go and do it. Just go and do it. Right, there's we got some very sad messages here for Tommy. No, Tommy, no, yeah. Oh no, so sad, Tommy. I hope you enjoyed your pizza. Yeah, I mean, it was very nice. I mean, the news is, though, I was told that you know, if I'd kept Tommy for much longer, Tommy would have passed away by himself. Apparently, a couple of people messaged me, a couple of fellow tomatoes messaged me and said, if you don't enjoy Tommy right now, a week from now, Tommy may turn green. And then once he starts turning green, he becomes a bit white and furry, and then he starts to smell. So take advantage of good old Tommy right now before that happens. Right. What can I say? Right, look at our stock this morning. Let's go back to it. Let's see how it looks on the iPhone. Look at it. That's how it looks on the iPhone. WKHS is up 2% today. If you're interested in that one, I just got that information there from from Robinhood. All right. Okay, so 12.5%. I'd love to get a new record and hold it. So the record was here. The record was 13%. Only 0.5% now, just over 0.5%, and we will be at an all-time record, which would be great, right? Amazon is now moving up 0.88. Johnson & Johnson is moving up 0.62. Having a good morning for Johnson & Johnson. Tesla is up as well. And remember something, folks. If we get a 10% correction, we've had all these days of growth. You either sell now and make some money and then wait for a correction, or go, what? Well, I've made 20% the last 3 months anyway. So, do you know what I mean? It doesn't matter, does it? Facebook is down very slightly. Apple is moving up. Great investment on Apple, I think, at the moment. Coke is up. Remember the dividends. Apple, AT&T is doing well as well. Disney just dropped back, but it's up. VTI is up 0.37. Google is dropping back. Oh, remember that Labor Day is coming up. Stocks always fall the Friday before a 3-day weekend. Always? All right, there's a lesson to be learned there. Remember that Labor Day is coming up. Stocks always fall the Friday before a 3-day weekend. Why? Because everyone sells and makes some money, and so on and so forth. Right, everybody smash the like button. We're dropping back on likes here. What's going on? Only 13 likes. What's going on? We need more than that. Everyone smash the like button. Let me just check a minute. I want to check a screen a minute. Right. Everyone tap the screen. What's going on here this morning? Only 13 likes. What's going on? And if you just joined us from TikTok, oh, let me just correct my like. There we go. I have to do this little trick sometimes to trick my phone into its light settings on the phone. Very unpredictable. Right, there we go. Right, let's have a look. So Google is just dropping back slightly. Virgin Galactic, right, let's have a look. It's pretty flat today, not doing very much, but I'm okay with Virgin. We're slowly going the direction we want to go. Yes, XLY, I just sold it as it hit 10%, but kept profit in shares of XLY. Very, very clever. That's what Martyn does. When he makes a profit, he sells his initial investment. So he makes money and he leaves his profit in there. So basically what he's left with is free money. If it goes up, he makes more money. If it goes down, he doesn't lose anything. Anthony Mao, how are you? Over there on TikTok. I'm gonna get Anthony Mao to join us today on YouTube. I try every day and I never get him to come in here. So Anthony Mao, let me get you today to join YouTube. Because every day you're on TikTok. Every day you're on TikTok, and I want you to come over and join me. How are you? Dream Kerr as well. How are you? Just tap the profile right here, and you'll find my icon. Click the icon. You'll find my profile page of TikTok, and then behind the Instagram logo is my YouTube link. Click on that, and you will be here on the Day Trader YouTube channel, and you'll see the trading screens we've got. I'll post this in the Facebook group as well. This is significant, but probably too tedious for the live show. All right, we'll leave that then. Post that in the group. Yes, go over to the Facebook page and group. We have some wonderful information. Martyn and Kenneth post a lot of content in there, and we really appreciate it. Some great stuff. Get to learn a lot more information, so go over and check that out. All right. Ford Motor Company just down slightly. Rolls-Royce has dropped a little bit. Just Everything has joined, 574. Hello, Robinhood is up 1.95. Lucid Group up 3%. I'm down 0.6%. I'm looking to make a profit on that very shortly. That could come today. Ocugen is doing well. It's up today, but I'm still down 9%. As Martyn keeps telling me, I came in at the wrong time. But you know, that's what everyone says, right? You've got to enter the market at the right time. Harpoon Therapeutics up 0.38, was slowly moving in the right direction. Harpoon Therapeutics has been going up now for a while, and the past week we're up 3%. And you can see we're starting to move up now. I'm trying to get one of these pops. I'll show you one of these dramatic little pops like this. I'm trying to get one of these where I can exit, because I've got $1,000 tied up here, but I'm currently down 27%, so I can't do nothing yet. All right, Advaxis is good. I'm up 6% on that one. I'm going to leave that there a little bit longer. I've made 26 bucks, but I'd like to do better than that, so we'll leave that for a while. Pfizer down slightly, is up, but I'm still down on that one. NRXP. All right, Dras, how are you today? You flat today? Hey, this could be the first day that Dras doesn't win the competition. Right, get your scores in. Dras is up 0.09 right now. Me, I am up 0.76. That means I'm winning so far. All right, who is ahead of me? Anybody ahead of me? 0.76. Carnival is taking a bit of a dip. Is it a time to get back into Carnival? We shall see. Charge Point is still up up 6.5%. Martin Redding is in this one. Consumer discretionary select sector. Let me post that. This is for Martin Redding has just posted this. Consumer discretionary select sector SPDR fund. There we go. Check that out if you're interested. 3.63 on my main account. Kenneth Brunk is back in the winning seat. Oh, I'm so proud of Kenneth. He's been away. He's been doing all sorts of stuff. He's been missing shows. He's not been consistent. Terrible guy. But when he's here, he normally wins. Now he's back. Oh, hang on. There's a pattern forming there. When he's not doing well, he hides away and pretends he's busy. I see. Now he's back. He's winning again. Oh, that's a strange thing. Anyway, so it looks like... no, not your secondary account. We're not interested in that one. You're just showing off now. But no, we are... Bill, it's Bentley time. Listening as I feed him. Bentley! Shall I do a little cat sound for the dog? Ready? Meow. 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 Is the dog going mad? Meow. All right, there we go. Keep watching the show, guys. You never know what's coming, right? It's all exciting here on the Day Trader.
The market's a little bit expensive. Obviously, everybody knows that, and we know why. There's a lot of liquidity, and look, we've been an accelerative case for earnings and for growth, but that's now turning the other direction, right? The Fed's going to be tapering at some point later this year, and you're going to have a deceleration in growth and probably negative earnings revision breath, is our view. So that combination should get you at least a 10% pullback between now and year end, maybe into early part of next year. It probably overshoots that, quite frankly, and maybe we end the year at 4,000. Who knows exactly? The point here is the risk reward is not particularly great at the index level. That's where everybody's kind of crammed into the quality stocks. That was our call back in March. And now we're going to see, probably the quality stocks get hit, and maybe some of the stocks that have already been kind of, hammered are going to be okay. So consumer service is a good example. That's an area where we haven't overconsumed, okay? Some of the, maybe some of the reopening stocks, people go back to those areas. And then we think these defensive areas will do better as people get nervous about the growth deceleration.
There we go. There you go. And you see Martin's point on the screen there. With the consumer confidence reporting Friday, this may go down. I just got out because it hit my 10% up threshold, but may get back in Tuesday depending on where it is. There you go. That's how Martin is playing it, and that's right. That's right. That's what I was talking about. There we go. Kenneth made that point. What was that? I'm dying. When he sees any animal on his TV, he barks at it, and wow, if an animal show is on, he gets his exercise. Well, I'm prepared to make animal noises, but I'm not prepared to start running around like a dog and a cat. you know, let's have some limits to what I'm prepared to do here on my show. All right. All right. Okay, so there we go. I am up. So it looks like Kenneth is going to win today. Today we're going to end the show at 9:05. We're going to end the show in 15 minutes time. So there we go. That's what we're going to do. And we're keeping an eye on everything today. So far, it looks like Kenneth is the winner. We've got another few minutes to go, so I'm not going to call it just yet. But it looks like Kenneth's going to win. Unless we have a pop. Unless we have a 5% pop on NRXP, of course. That's when we'll make some returns for all of you. Sorry, that's when Dras will win. All right. Is Dras here on the show today? I think I saw Dras pop in, didn't I? Yeah, yes he did. Yes he did. I think he's here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'm going to sell NRXP. I'm going to sell all of NRXP very quickly. Okay, I've just sold NRXP. I sold at 5.11. Made myself $10. It's dropping down a bit now. I'll buy back in again when that continues to drop, I think. So there we go. NRXP is dropping. I just sold in before the drop. There it goes. See that? I'll buy back in a minute. NRXP without news will likely not do anything special until Tuesday, in my opinion. All right, there it goes, dropping down. NRXP is going down. I just sold. So I bought in at 15.60 and I sold at 15.95. There we go. So I bought in at 15.60. So we're looking, there it goes. It's dropping this morning now. I just made some money on that. Only $10, but we'll keep our eye on NRXP and find a way to re-enter the market. NRXP without news will likely do anything, will not do anything special until Tuesday. Okay, so what I'm looking for now is NRXP to take a nice big dip. I'm hoping Dras. What's Dras going to do right now? Dras has made a lot of money from this. Dras, are you thinking about selling it all now? He's not here right now. He's got a lot of money invested in this. NRXP, he has a lot of money. So all his stocks on it. So he's not talking right now. He's probably very busy and concerned. If I was Dras right now and the amount of money that he's made and that he has in it, I would sell everything and then wait for it to drop and buy back in at a cheaper price. But who knows? He'll play it his own way. Because look, we've had consistent growth over the past week. Nothing but growth. But if you look at it, I don't know. I'm still working on GSAT. I just got a feeling there. I might be wrong. Doesn't matter. I've made $10. And I've there we go. It's moving up again. It may keep going up. Who knows? That doesn't matter. I'm out of it for now. I've just put some money in my buying power. I've now got $752 there. And I'll keep my powder dry in case NRXP does something and does a big drop. I'll jump on it perhaps. Keep my eye on that one. It bounced off a trend line. Thank you very much. Do you think it will drop a bit more? Remember, I bought in at 1560. I bought in at 1560. So if it does go below 15, no big deal. It's not a big deal. It bounced at that. Okay. Keep my eye on that. If you're over there, hello. I've got friends over there on TikTok. Thank you for joining me on TikTok. Tap the screen. Let me know you're here. If you let me know you're here, your comment will go to the top. Miana Bakery. Miana Bakery is here. And Anthony Meow. Hi, the reason I haven't joined on YouTube is I can't join something about... I can't join... It's something about admin controls. Oh, I see. Okay, you're at work or on a work computer. All right. Well, whenever you get the chance, Anthony Meow, we'd love to welcome you here. Go on, I don't know. Love you to join us. But anyway, it's lovely that you join me every day. It's only that I want to share with you the trading screens, and I also want to introduce you to all my friends. And as a YouTuber or as a TikToker, I can help promote your channel as well. I want you to, because when you come on my channel, I can comment on your channel and share your videos. That's what I do. I try to help everyone. So that's why I keep inviting you to join us. Without news or a short squeeze, it'll just consolidate until tomorrow. Tomorrow will dip. Tuesday should go up. So tomorrow it'll dip. All right, let's watch it tomorrow. NRXP. I better add to my list because it's not in my list. Now I haven't got any stock. I will lose it. So there we go. NRXP is going up now. That's okay. I'm fine with it. I made myself a couple of percent. And let's see if we have another fall. I'll get back in when it falls. Right. We've got just 9 minutes left of the show to go. And then we're going to end today. Johnson & Johnson. I'm just going to check my Robinhood account a minute, because where does it show it? Where does it show it? Investing. There we go. My day trader limits. I've got to check my day. Oh, I'm good. That's good. One's fallen off now. I've got 2 day trades to make in the next few days. Because you're allowed so many. Let me show you. You're allowed so many to keep in with the rules. And they drop off every few days, and you don't ever want to go past that point as a day trader. You can, but it's also a good way to control me and slow me down, and keep the account clean and all the rest of it. It's good. I can turn those settings off if I want to, but I kind of like the way it is. All right, watching the screens right now. We're just coming to the end of the show, and we broke 51 again, which is absolutely great. I've made a profit this morning, and I've put some more money in my buying power. That's very, very good. And now I am up 12.5%, nearly to the all-time record of 13. So we're very, very close now. And let's see what's doing that this morning. Amazon just dropping back slightly. Johnson & Johnson having a great day today. I've got a reasonable position here. 3.5% of my portfolio is in that. Tesla's having a bit of an up day now. We're moving nicely there. That's good. 8.6% in Webull. Congratulations. Facebook has just dropped down slightly. If you just joined us over from TikTok, hello, Patrick, how are you? Click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up on the video. Patrick, if you want to join us on TikTok, just smash the screen and you see the little, just tap the screen really fast like that. It lets me know you're here. But if you hit the profile right at the top here, you'll find my icon, click my icon, takes you to the profile page of TikTok, and then you will see my YouTube link is just behind the Instagram icon. You can come in and join us. I would really appreciate it very much indeed. And that way you will see the trading screens and we can promote you on TikTok and YouTube as we do it. We're a community here helping to support everybody that takes part in what we do. All right. Apple is up 1% here this morning. Coke is just dropped back a little bit. AT&T is good. Disney is good. Vanguard is good. Google is just dropping back a little bit. Virgin Galactic's having a good day. Look at that. Virgin Galactic moving as you watch it. There it goes. Look. Virgin Galactic. Let's expand the chart. Opening a new tab. Let's have a look at it. I don't know why I read out opening in a new tab. I'm thinking and I call it out. All right. Some decent volume coming into Virgin. Hey, Bill. Bill must be happy. I'm just down now, 15%, so close to starting to make some profits there. Let's have a look. Ford has just dropped back. Rolls-Royce is now back up again. It will do that trending line today, up 1.46 Robinhood. Lucid is now moving up nicely. I'm only 5% down now from a profit. Like it. Oxygen is now moving up. Look at that. Some real nice movement in Oxygen this morning. Up 2.25%. Harpoon Therapeutics, it's flat. Had a bit of a pop, then flat. Advaxis is down a bit. Pfizer is up, but just moving back a bit. NRXP is trading sideways now. Carnival just down, but not really an entry point yet. Charge Point is recovering for Martin Redding. I'm very, very pleased for Martin Redding on that one. All right, guys, we're coming to the end of the show. It looks like the winner today was Kenneth Brunk. Kenneth Brunk is the winner. Congratulations, Kenneth. Everyone congratulate Kenneth. Commiserations for everyone else. All our love and support goes out to, of course, Dras, who's been up every day. Today he's down slightly. I just sold my position. I will buy in again when an NRXP does a dip. If it does, if it doesn't, then I won't get it back in again and I'll miss it, and that's fine. But we'll see how that goes. Yay. Congratulations to Kenneth Brunk. Kenneth Brunk is getting richer by the moment. He's building his wealth for his future, for his family and kids, so he can take them all on a lovely holiday to Disneyland. How wonderful is that? And when he gets there, guess what he's going to buy? The first thing he's going to buy to celebrate, Tommy the Tomato. In fact, folks, here's your job for the day. I would like all of you today to take a picture, find yourself a Tommy the Tomato, take a picture of Tommy the Tomato with you. So get the tomato here and post it onto our Facebook group. Paste it onto our Facebook group. All right, so go onto the Facebook group, the Day Trader, with you and a picture of Tommy the Tomato. Tag everybody else, that's all our friends here in it, and let's have some fun on the Day Trader group, because we've made some money today. Everyone's happy, so go to the Day Trader group, take a photograph with you and a tomato. I don't know, put a little sign, Tommy the Tomato or something, and let's make Tommy the Tomato famous on our Facebook group today, the Day Trader. I've given you all the link. I'll give you the link one more time in the live chat. Here it is, and let's go and make Tommy the Tomato famous all over the world, and tag all your friends in it so we all know who's who and we all can share it. Okay, of course, we will buy it too. Lovely. We will buy it too. A Euro spin. All right, 12.5%. I'm nearly an all-time record. This is great. All right, we've got to end the show. Tommy forever. We'll bring him back. Tommy will have a resurgence. We've got 14 likes now. Fantastic. A little bit down today. Our average is 15. Our all-time record 27, but that doesn't matter. We're making money, we're making friends, and we're having a lot of fun. So there we go. That's the end of today's show. By the way, guys, just to let you know, right now here on the Day Trader, where you are right now, let's refresh the screen. See if we gain any subscribers during the show. 986, no we didn't, but that's okay. Scroll down, you'll find the Martyn... Oh, hang on a minute. On the Day Trader channel, scroll down, there's the Martyn Lucas channel. I've got a little treat for everybody. Right, I've got premieres. One premiere happened an hour ago, but the rest start in 5 minutes. Beatles Part 2, 3 and 4 every 15 minutes. I've got those few Beatles songs coming out. Unplugged, something very special, exclusive to my Martyn Lucas channel. Won't see anywhere else. And go and check them out and leave a comment below. That's it though, folks. Thank you ever so much indeed. Great morning. Congratulations to Kenneth. All it leaves me to say is God bless America. I'm off to water aerobics now. God save the Queen. Get those Tommy Tomato pictures on the Facebook group. Take care of yourselves and each other.